What does a men's hair system install look like? Hey there, I'm here to help you with installing a men's hairpiece, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want a color and texture match or a completely new look, I'm here to make it happen. First, we'll start with measuring the hairline. This is crucial for ensuring the hairpiece sits perfectly and blends with your natural hair. I'll measure and carefully document the dimensions to ensure an accurate fit. Now, it's time to shave the top of your head. This step is essential for creating a clean, smooth surface to work with. I'll carefully shave your scalp to create an even base for the hairpiece. With the adhesive in place, it's time to apply the hairpiece. Finally, I'll customize the hairpiece to match your desired style. Once the hairpiece is secure, I'll carefully trim and style it to achieve the desired look. This includes trimming, straightening, or curling the hair as needed. And there you have it, a perfectly installed men's hairpiece that will enhance your appearance and confidence. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to text or DM me. Let's turn some heads.